Meet your next ride, our 2024 Kia FORTE EX. This sedan is ready to elevate your driving experience with refined features like heated seats that keep you cozy, a rear camera ensuring safety, and a blind spot monitoring system for added confidence. The sleek alloys enhance the car's bold design, while the factory warranty and our 12-month Huggable Guarantee provide peace of mind you can depend on. Every Jim Gilbert's vehicle comes with a full tank of gas, paired with our commitment to delivering affordability, reliability, and undeniable comfort. Full financing options, zero down, and trade-ins make it easier than ever to drive home in a car you'll absolutely love. Whether you're running errands in town or making those long weekend escapes, the FORTE EX is your perfect partner on the road. Give us a chance to earn your business and experience our huggable difference. Visit Jim Gilbert's today and don't miss your chance to spin and win up to $500 in free gas, because your dream car is waiting.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer